And now, ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the immigrant tool number, I don't know what.
I don't know.
Okay, so I'm gonna bring this really close.
No, we take it down. We use the thing.
Alright, so this is made for European cars where
American car.
it's very hard. It's basic design, so it's like on a long screwdriver.
Yes, I use just a snow
And
short.
then
I use no short.
when you dial this in, this little thing goes all the way up. So when you need to press a hose clamp, there's somewhere down, like, which is not.
You see, now we make the short. We make the short.
Short immigrant tool.
Look at this. Видишь?
Yep, easy. Barely, but it's there.
And so we use the wrench. See? See?
Yeah, locks the clamp, and now it's movable.
That's it. We need you use the hook. See, we take inside and see. Let's go round.
Breaks the seal,
Yes, see. Now easy.
and it's out.
Just you get this.
Okay, so this is the immigrant tool what you were talking about. Yes, there is the one that has like a handle and a wire, and then you can press, and that compresses here. But this is more sturdy, this is more reliable.
Universal for everything.
Yep. And again, this is. What did you make that from? See, there's some writing on it.
That's a.
Cut the.
You know, I show you this. I make for with this. You see this? That's a for paint. See, I make that's a for mix the
Stirring,
paint.
yeah.
Yes,
Hold on.
I make with this.
Okay, yeah. The same one.
Yes, I make with this.
It's the same one. You actually made it out of this, made a square. No, it's not a square. Drill or cut the holes
That's it.
so you can slide. And this is just threaded rod with. Why is it not focusing? Focus! This is just a threaded rod. Okay, so this is annoying me right now. So this is threaded rod with the nut welded on top.
You see, we now take.
And
Outtake.
for hard to reach spots.
No, that's if you go. That's not
And then
easy.
you use the screwdriver here. We cut a nut. Where is that screwdriver?
Yes. Long.
Okay, so
Make too longer. See? So I weld the nut. See?
so usually what it is, why he did that, is on the cars, but when it didn't have
No,
when he didn't have hoist, so he couldn't lift
No,
the car
hoist.
up.
Don't have room. Some car don't have hoist.
So you have a bumper here and everything.
Look this.
Yeah.
You see? If you
On
don't
the
have,
bottom.
you don't have hoist. and don't have room, you put this, you tight.
And then with this, you can actually move because it's sturdy enough so you can actually move it with both hands. So you can slide it off. Versus the one that has the wire with a handle thing that you can lock. That's just a wire, like that's hanging loose. So you can't really, so you still have to like push your hand down and then move it, right? Versus this, which is sturdy. And you can push everything around. All right, immigrant tool number, God knows what. Made out of, there you go, a paint.
You see that side, you go down. See?
Huh?
I take another side.
Oh.
Down. Yes, look.
Yeah, I can see.
Down is okay.
Immigrant tool